And they see after I go say Chelsea fans are touts, Chelsea fans are conductors, Chelsea fans are Okada drivers. And I see for Uganda yesterday, police have arrested 8 Arsenal fans for celebrating their victory over Man U in a way that is not right. In Uganda, Arsenal fans are picking pockets, armed robbers, criminals, no do-wells, thugs, because you're about to win because you are first in the league after 9 years, because you are first in the league after 20 years, because for once you beat Man U after so many years. You not let the masses rest. You not let Nigerians rest. Because you're about to win the league for the first time in over 18 years. You know, go let fans rest. And you have to resort to violence, to picking pocketry, and all forms of public disturbances. Because say we just allow and this say make una win league go. Because say Chelsea get new owner. We can't sack our coach. We can't go through issues. When I come on, they talk anyhow they give me. Chelsea fan. That's not fans. Who are you? Who you? Who born you? Who you? Just when I never win league. League still foul. It's not even yet confirmed that you win the league. When I never get injuries. Saka never won. Partey never won. Shaka never won. Martinelli never won. When they take noise, they stress person ear. When I behave, match is still there. When I still get Chelsea phone at home. When I still get Man City home and away. When I still get Newcastle away. When I behave,